How to make my account private on TikTok. Now for some reason you might want to make your account private on TikTok. For this, the process is quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the TikTok app and make sure that you're just signed into the account that you would like to make it private. Then after that, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner, and again this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. From here now what you have to do is tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Then just go from the bottom to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, here are a couple of options. What you want to do from here is simply go to the option called privacy. Now under privacy, right at the top you can see a toggle that says private account. So to make your account private, simply turn on this toggle and your account will be private on TikTok. This way you'll be able to make your account private on TikTok. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.